Multiple choice questions for basic accounting. The first question is, most companies use a chart of accounts prepared by the letter A, Accounting Standards Council, letter B, Securities and Exchange Commission, letter C, Bureau of Internal Revenue, and letter D, Company's Accounting Department. So, who is the one preparing for the chart of accounts? No, it's not the Accounting Standard Council. It is not also the Securities and Exchange Commission. And also, it is not the BIR, because BIR is the one who is responsible in the taxes in the Philippines. So, the correct answer is the company's accounting department. The chart of accounts is prepared by the company's accounting department. So, the correct answer is letter D. Next question. Unearned revenues are recorded by companies that, letter A, pay money in advance of the performance of a service. Letter B, pay money at the time the performance of a service is complete. Letter C, receive money in advance of the performance of a service. And letter D, receive money at the time the performance of a service is complete. So, what is your answer? Okay, ha? So, let's go back. Unearned revenues. So, when we say unearned revenues, it is said to be what? So, letter A, pay money in advance of the performance of a service is not correct because it is considered as a prepaid. Pay money at the time the performance of a service is complete is not also correct. So, receive money in advance of the performance of a service. Yes, when we say unearned revenues, the company receive money or the person receive money in advance of the performance of a service. Naka-receive na or naka-pay na si customer, but you will render the services of the performance yet. Letter D, receive money at the time of the performance of a service is complete is incorrect. So, the correct answer is letter C. Unearned revenues are recorded by the companies that receive money in advance of the performance of a service. Next question. Okay, try to answer again. A chart of accounts is a or an, letter A, journal. Letter B, flow chart of all transactions. Letter C, list of names of all account titles. And letter D, accounting procedure manual. Okay, so the correct answer for the chart of accounts is, it is not a journal, it is not a flow chart of all transactions, but it consists of the list of names of all account titles and not accounting procedure manual. The correct answer is letter C.